We live on the road full time and everything that we need is in our trusty steed Timmy, so let's take a look at what's inside. We have our water jugs and everything we've already taken out of the cart on the table, but let's see what's inside. Sandals, Grace's clothes bag, cooking supplies, sleep stuff, 2 food bags, because we get hungry, dog's food bag, scrubber bag, dog stuff, toolkit, tent, footprint, Matt's clothes, dog sleeping bag, med kit, dog med kit, shampoo and conditioner, tarp, towel, canine sports sack, and a cooling pad. Come around to the back. We have our 2 fanny packs, our hats, shovel, miscellaneous stuff. We call this back pouch the pocket of doom. These 2 pouches, this one we try to keep snacks in. This is more of like just take care of yourself type things. And that's kind of a quick little summary of what is in Timmy and what we all have. Make sure to follow along as we make our way to Key West, Florida.